Welcome back to Trisha Stay Active Fun Club. Today I am going to be making mini paper books. So let's get started. So this is what a paper book looks like that we are going to be making today. So kids can really have fun with these they can write in here, they can draw, they can do anything in here. And you don't even need to buy books that are so many. You can color, you can do anything with these books. So now we're going to be making the books. So the ingredients you'll need are 1 scissors. You can use any sort of scissors. I'm just using Crayola kid scissors. You can use big scissors. You can use any sort of scissors. Just make sure you don't cut yourself with it. And you'll need a piece of paper. You can use any paper. You don't need to use white paper. You can use lined paper. You can use colored paper. You can use pattern paper. You can use any paper. So now I'm going to teach you how to make the books. So take your sheet of paper and then you're going to fold it in half like this. So this is what you should have. Then you're gonna take it and take the top flap, which is closed, and you're gonna put it on top of the bottom flap, like this. Then you're gonna take one side flap, and you're gonna fold it on top like this one. So you're gonna fold it on top, like this. Then you're gonna open it to 4s. So you're gonna open it to this, not this. You're not gonna open it to that. You're gonna open to this. So you're gonna have one side that's closed and one side that's opened. You're gonna take the closed side and you're gonna cut the line between with your scissors. Like this. Then you're gonna open your page fully. You're gonna fold it in half like a hot diggity dog, and you're gonna fold it from the edges really well so it pops, and the next edges really well too. Then you're gonna hold this and then you're gonna squeeze it all together. And then you're gonna fold the flaps together, and then you're gonna fold this bottom edge, and there's your mini book. So I had lots of fun making these, so I'm going to write in this book and show you it works. You can actually write in them. I just wrote it hello to show you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. So these are what the books should turn out as. I made 3 of them. You can make as many as you want. And if you have any comments, because you need more guidance, please comment down below in the comment sections. And please like and subscribe and share. Bye! Hope to see you in the next video.